Welcome everybody, we're going to be talking about our GoPro Hero 7 vlogging setup. Welcome everybody to the Von Scheller family experience. We're going to talk about my favorite vlog setup and some of my favorite accessories. I started vlogging about 6-8 months ago, but I've been making videos and putting them on YouTube for quite some time now, but really getting into this vlogging thing. So I finally upgraded my camera from a GoPro 3 to the Hero GoPro 7 and couldn't be happier. I've had the GoPro 1, 2, 3. They're actually on the shelf right behind me. And I actually do still use my 3 once in a while just for some of the jet ski stuff and things I do out in the ocean. Just because if I lose it, it's not as big of a deal as if I lose my 7. So I'm actually using the GoPro 7 right now to film this. A couple of things that I did is I got an aluminum case for it just so I can get some accessories. Case looks just like this here. This is an extra one that I had that they accidentally sent me, and I'll show you right here what mine looks like with all the accessories on it. So started with the aluminum case, then we added the Rode microphone, video microphone, and an extension for that to get it up a little bit higher out of the view angle, and of course the GoPro microphone adapter. All of this stuff is in the description below. You can click on the link and get it for yourself. I also use this tripod, this grip. It's really nice. Just you can set it places, opens up, or you can just use it as a grip. Release this, and it does swivel. So if you're at an angle with the tripod, or if you're doing some vlogging of yourself, works out really nice. So those are, I think, kind of your main thing that you're gonna want to get: the Rode video microphone and a nice little grip or tripod, and the accessories that it takes to make those things work, like the GoPro microphone adapter and the microphone mount, hot shoe mount. So those are the main things you're going to want to get. Now I'm going to go into some of the additional accessories that I like. Here's a couple of the other grips that I have. This grip right here extends out, nice little 19-inch extension. This one's nice just because you can, clamp it around things, stuff like that. Another one of my favorite ones is, of course, a nice claw, and it's all nice and flexible too. Everybody's got to have a suction cup, so the suction cup, nice for getting your GoPro attached to the side of a car, windshield, whatever. And of course, this is a nice one. This one I do use a lot. It's a 360 swivel. So I've got the standard GoPro mount there, and I can mount it different places, swivel it out. So that's one of my other favorite ones. It is all aluminum as well, so it's nice and sturdy and strong. Since I do a lot of water sports, definitely got to have something that floats. So we do have a floating case right here that can go around the GoPro, and just a floating grip as well. The other thing is extra batteries and a charger. So I do have an extra battery and a nice little GoPro charger for those extra batteries. That is definitely a must because the batteries don't last that long. So I'm probably going to order a few more batteries too here in the future. So that's all my accessories that I have. So what's up, guys? Now we're going to do a little mic check here with the GoPro Hero 7 and doing a little audio and lighting check to see how it turns out on this. So mic check 1, audio check 2. Okay, this is a audio check without the external mic. Once again, a mic check without the external mic. Make sure you click in the description below. I got links to all these items that you just saw in this video, and make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, Von Scheller Family Experience. We are a family, fun, adventure vlogging channel. We like to do all kinds of fun stuff. Get out there, have fun, be awesome, do amazing things. Thanks for watching.